Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, this is a series of blog posts and videos I'm going to do, which basically kind of is going to start with Excel right from the beginning. So what I have here is I've opened up a brand new workbook. And just to bear in mind, some of the terminology is that an Excel file is referred to as a workbook. And then down here in the bottom left-hand corner, you see there you have things called sheets. All right, so if you kind of imagine them like pages in a book. Now the basic structure of an Excel sheet is this, that it's made up of columns. So there's A, B, C, D. And I press Control and arrow right, it brings me over there to XFD. Okay. And for those of you who are interested, that actually adds up to 16,384 columns. Okay. And then you have your rows. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Control arrow down goes to the bottom, over 1 million rows. Okay, so for those of you who have a humongous calculator, if you want to multiply that out, that gives you the value of the number of what they call cells. So each of these boxes here is called a cell. Right, put that in there. Right. And every cell has an address. Okay, so for example, at the moment, let's say I'm in I6, which is always reading column and then row. So see there it says I6. Okay, and the collective noun for a bunch of cells is called a range. There's a whole new meaning to home on the range. Right. Now, just a couple of other quick things as well is that most of the formatting that you need is going to be up here on the home ribbon. All right, you can see the home ribbon up here. If you need to save a file, save as you would normally. And you also have options up here in what they call the quick access toolbar. So things like your save, undo, new file will kind of be available to you on that one. And if there's something that you use a lot, for example, like open, click over here on this one, customize quick access toolbar. So for example, if I click on open, that adds open onto my quick access toolbar. So the things that you use most often, just try and have them up there. Now I'm just going to finish this video with something that you can, as they say, try at home. So if I click in a cell here and I type in January, and then I go to the bottom right hand corner and then drag it down, you see there it actually fills in the months for me, or if I do it the days of the week, go to the corner and drag it down. Now, or if you want to do even with numbers, come up here, let's say I do 10, and if I want to just do 10, I can just drag it down. But if I want to do 10, 11, 10, press enter, click here. If I press the control key and then drag it down, it fills in a sequence for me. Right? Although oddly enough, if I do dates and then click on it and go to the corner, Excel fills in a sequence of dates for me. Go figure. Right? So this is just a very quick thing just to get you orientated to Excel. If you kind of decided you want to really get to grips with it, starting at the beginning, this helps. Right? I hope you enjoy. Mind yourself. Take care. Bye.